Let's be real for a second. Nobody wants to blindly pay for a subscription before knowing if it actually works. You are probably searching for a Surfshark VPN free trial to see if the hype is real. And while the answer is a bit complicated, I found the best way to work around the system so you don't have to risk your hard-earned cash. Now, before I show you the cheat code, I have dropped a special link in the description below. You need to open that right now because it is the only way to claim exclusive extra free months on your plan and lock in the 30-day money-back guarantee. Go ahead and click that so you have the deal ready. If you are strictly looking for how to get Surfshark VPN for free, the official 7-day trial is actually hidden. It is only available if you download the app directly through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once you create an account there, you will see the option to start the Surfshark trial. The trick here is that you enter your payment info, but then you immediately go into your phone's subscription settings and cancel it. The trial will still stay active for the full 7 days, and the best part is that you can then use those login details on your PC or Mac too. But honestly, a week flies by way too fast. That is why the smartest Surfshark free trial 2026 strategy is actually using the link I mentioned to get the subscription. This triggers the 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can use the VPN without restrictions for a whole month. Enjoy the unlimited device connections and get those extra free months. If you decide it's not for you, you just contact their 24/7 live chat on day 29, ask for a refund, and you get every penny back. It is completely risk-free. However, Surfshark is so affordable that once you see how fast and secure it is, you probably won't want to cancel. So seriously, don't miss out on this offer. Click that link in the description right now to get the extra free months and secure your privacy today.